In this video, should you click your own neck and how do you click your own neck? Should you do it? It's not the best, but it's really not bad. It frees up the joints, it feels good. I'll show you how to do it. So basically what you do is you sit tall, hold on and turn your head away. And I just extend a little bit as I do that. It feels really nice. I'm working through the muscle, stretching out the joints. You might get a little click as you free up that joint there. Do it the other side. You're not trying to get a click though, it's more of a stretch, and as I say, you may get a satisfying release.